Is YouTube stealing my revenue? Not really. There are two possible explanations. One is if there's invalid activity or invalid traffic on your account, and then people might be clicking on your ads when they are not actually interested in it, just to increase your revenue. That would be deemed as invalid traffic or invalid activity, but that's not what we're here for today. Sometimes your revenue hasn't actually reduced. So if you go into your YouTube studio and on the front cover where it says estimated revenue, sometimes this figure goes up and down on a daily basis. But if you go further into your revenue analytics, and if you changed the day from 28 days to 7 days, if you click on the drop down arrow, more time periods will appear. As you change it, you'll notice that the revenue amount, estimated revenue amount, would also change. However, if you were to go down to the part where it says how much you're earning, those figures stay the same apart from the current month, and the current month is always ongoing because you're still earning in that actual month. I hope this has put some clarity that YouTube are not stealing your revenue. It's just the different time periods include certain days, and then that shows an increase or a decrease. I hope this has been helpful, and I will see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.